Before installing your Fitz exhaust mount, you'll need to measure your exhaust fan and ceiling opening to make sure everything fits correctly. In this video, we'll walk you through how to measure the Fitz light exhaust mount. You'll need to take two measurements. First, check the fan opening. The first measurement is the inside dimension of the exhaust fan box, which should be 10.5 by 10.5 inches or larger. Next, measure the outside dimension, including the flange. The outside dimensions, including the flange, cannot be larger than 12 by 12 inches. Next, check the overall size of the mount to make sure that you have enough ceiling clearance. For the flush light mount, the overall size is 16.25 by 16.25 inches. For the framed light mount, the overall size is 15 inches by 15 inches. You'll also want to make sure that there's enough space inside the ceiling cavity. To calculate this, take the height of your fan housing and add 1 3/4 inches for the height of the Fitz mount. That total will tell you exactly the minimum depth required in your ceiling cavity. Ideally, you should take these measurements before purchasing your exhaust fan and your Fitz mount. Doing this during the design stage of your project ensures everything fits correctly and avoids adjustments later on. With the Fitz flush mount, the installation sequence for an exhaust fan is slightly different from the standard. Here's how it goes. First, run the power cable and position the exhaust duct. Next, mount the drywall. Then, install the flush Fitz mount with the exhaust fan and connect both the power and the ducting. Finally, complete with drywall finish, mud, and paint. With the Fitz frame mount, the installation sequence for an exhaust fan is slightly different from standard. Here's how it goes. First, run the power cable and position the exhaust duct. Next, finish the drywall completely. Then, install the framed Fitz mount with the exhaust fan and connect both the power and the ducting.